Some other stories making the headlines today. 2 Metropolitan Police officers have been sacked after posting what Scotland Yard said was highly offensive and discriminatory offensive messages in a group chat. It included a racist joke about Meghan Markle. PC Paul Hefford and PC Sukhdev Ji were dismissed for gross misconduct. London City Airport has asked Newham Council to lift a ban on flights after 1 p.m. on Saturdays. The airport says the expansion of services will be crucial to meeting future demand. A local opposition group says the added noise will anger residents. And police have urged the thief to do the right thing after a locket containing a baby's ashes was stolen near Regent's Park 10 days ago. It looks like this and was inside a car which was targeted. The victim's camera equipment was also taken. Detectives are appealing for information.
Well, here, COVID infections have jumped by almost a third in the space of just a week. An estimated 2.3 million people in the UK had the virus in late June, the highest level since April. Ian Woods is here with more on this. And Ian, how concerned should we be?
Well, the figures confirmed what we know, that even though we're learning to live with COVID without any restrictions whatsoever, the virus is still around in huge numbers, and it's driven by the latest Omicron variant. Let's break down those figures for you. As you said, close to 2.3 million people had the virus last week, and that figure jumped by more than 500,000 in a week. The percentage of those testing positive in Scotland is highest, with around 1 in 18 people having the virus there, followed by 1 in 25 in Northern Ireland. The figure in England and Wales is 1 in 30 people. Now, that's the highest number of infections since April, but it's still some way below the record high of 4.9 million, which is seen at the peak of the Omicron BA2 wave, which happened at the end of March.
Cases of monkeypox in the UK have increased according to the latest data from the UK Health Security Agency. There are now more than 1,200 cases where people are being urged to check for symptoms and to isolate if need be. And the Farne Islands off the coast of Northumberland are being forced to close to visitors from this Sunday due to an outbreak of bird flu. The decision by the National Trust follows the temporary closure of several seabird reserves off the coast of Scotland.